Who are you?
I'm the ghost of Bill Gates.
But you're still alive.
That's what the government is paid to make you think, but I've decided to make you tell everyone the truth.
But why me?
You're the only one who has nothing better to do but to tell people that I'm dead. Everyone else has a life.
I guess you're right, but how did you die?
My love of fat chicks got the best of me. I brung home a 500-pounder and she crushed me to death during sexual intercourse.
I always thought you would die by getting attacked by a pregnant homeless duck.
That is the most retarded thing I have ever heard, but that would be a cool way to go. Well, I have to go bang some more of them dead fat chicks. Goodbye.
Haha, alrighty then, you have fun with that, bye.